Got me a little package in the mail today. Some Black Widow things. So let's open her up. See what we got here. I have a special love for their Instagram. This Black Widow exhaust right here, my friends. You need to go over to their Instagram because basically every day you just like watch people with their trucks with the Black Widow on it, or cars. Just opening it up. It's good if you ever just want to listen to vehicles just rock. So I got 2 of these. Black Widow hooked it up. Thanks, Brian. If I can get this open. Oh, it's stapled. Staples. Oh, I'm excited. I know it's gonna be beautiful. Oh yeah. Look at that. Neighbor hater! Black Widow exhaust sticker. Woo! That'll go on there, that's for sure. Goes in the, put that in the sponsor. Wipe this thing down a little bit. Oh yeah. Look at that. Primo! So that's a 2.5-inch Black Widow neighbor hater. I think it's gonna be pretty sweet. Sticking out of the Race Xterra. So yeah, got these today. I'm pretty excited about that. I'll open the other one just so we can hold them up. Let's see how they work. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Full test. I like it. All right, guys. That's just a little unboxing of today's boxing of things that I got. So they probably won't go on for a little bit until I get everything all pinned up and stuff back on. But at least we got more parts. Today we are fixing the brakes up on this side, and we're gonna try and get some brake lines possibly starting to run. I still need a couple more tools, but I got some benders and stuff, so we'll see if we can't get the brake lines over here somewhere, up and in, maybe, so that we can get the brakes up there. So we're in the back of the truck. I just put the fuel system back in. Well, not the fuel system. I put the fuel tank back in and trying to figure out where we're gonna basically run lines and stuff. So fuel pump, fuel filter. I want to be able to access them really good. So I'm just gonna mount those here. That's my plan today. If you watch this and you think that's a stupid plan, you should change it for this reason, you can comment below and I will take your advisement into advisement. But yeah, so fuel line is going to come up the body, hopefully kind of like on top of the body or right in line, and yeah, right inside those tubes, and then up to the fuel cell right in here, and that will come to the filter back here, and then the pump, and then we'll drop it down right above right on top of the frame rail and run that all the way up into the front of the truck. So I think that's the plan for the fuel line. So we're gonna get doing fittings and tees and hose cutting and stuff. So hopefully we'll get that done today. So here we go. So we've got the fuel pump mounted. We did some rib nuts in there. Okay, you can kind of see right here, rib nut. There's like an extra piece of metal like seam underneath here, so it's pretty sturdy on the body right there. And then made a fuel line back to there. I need to get another 90, but for now that'll work. Or maybe a 45, probably a 90 I'd say. And then kind of show you, the line will go like this, and we'll secure it with some hose clamp things, not some hose isolators. Dave, my bro, Dr. Demento is going to be chopping off some of this stuff left over. We're going to clean that up a little bit while he's over here. I may work on some more and fittings. Total pain in the ass, but I gotta run the return line. So that's where I'm at. Keep going. Guys, so some more work done. As you can see on both sides, this got cut kind of basically flush to the bottom of that, so it looks a lot cleaner. I know the door needs to be cut too, but I'm not there yet. So we cut that much smoother, a lot more fresh right there. I may do something inside here, like a plate or something, just to keep any rock from up in the fuel system. I don't know, we'll see. Eventually, that's something down the road. As you can see, I have my pickup and return lines plumbed up. I ran out of 90s, so I got to get some 90s right here. It's as easy as unscrewing this part, and because this is the part that you kind of install hard mount on the hose. So I got to get some 90s, and I'll put them in there. But for now, this is good enough. I mean, literally, it'll probably just mount up a little bit better over there. So that's kind of the routing I'm going with right now. I think that's how I'm gonna do it. It'll hopefully keep it a little bit secured. As you can see, my filter is right here. I need to buy some bolts so I can mount it to those rib nuts. The fuel pump is in, and I think what I'm gonna do is run an auxiliary fuel pump right here as well. So if one goes bad or something, I don't know. Some thoughts, but I haven't run my pressure line from the fuel pump to the front. I need to grab some more line. Plus, this is the wrong fitting in here. I need to grab another fitting. This is -6, this is -8. So that's in there. That comes up to, let's see if I can get you in here. Well, that comes up to here. This is gonna sit a little bit more up along the top of the frame here. I gotta get rid of all this stuff, and so that can sit up there. But then, as you can see, that will go up along that tube right behind it, kind of, and up to the pressure regulator. So there is a connection down here. I thought it might be okay to be able to kind of, instead of having one line, do two, especially since I did one and I didn't know that's how I was going to do it, and I changed my mind and did it a different way. So that's why that's there. And then this is going to be my pressure line from here down to that corner, and then I'll run another full line all the way back. So that's where it's at. That's what we did today. Little progress, baby steps. Thanks to my brother Dave. I smell this brother Dave. He's out helping. So I also got the dash mounted back in. I want to be able to mount up my new PRP steering wheel, as you can see, and I got a quick release, so that's gonna come off. So I wanted to mount up the steering wheel, and I got to do some checking as far as where I'm going to install the brakes. So I'm going to be getting a master cylinder brake kit kind of a deal. So I wanted to at least put this up there so I can see if there's any other mounting locations and etc. etc. So that's what's going on with that.